Okay, guys, welcome to Cafe at Simplify. Yeah, we are getting better with our work and projections. So we are coming to number 2. The following transactions transpired during the month of November 2022 in the books of Chifamulus Limited. And they are saying that started the business with 6 million, bought 6 million in the bank and 4 million cash. So paid rent by check by this. So whenever you find that on your first date you are having events occurring rather than capital, that means you have November 1 and November 1 again, so that we don't confuse the capital. Our capital by cash was 4 million and in the bank it was 6 million. So you put your capital 10 million. Liabilities plus owner's equity equals to assets. That's why when you add this and in here, you should get this. So on the same date, what happened is that he paid rent by check. Check does not affect cash, which is available, but it will affect the bank. So you get the 90,000 minus the 6 million, will get this. But you reflect that one as net income, but negative or loss. It's like some kind of a loss. So you get this 10 million minus what he paid, and we get this. Then on November 8th, bought goods on credit 900,000, paying 60% by cash and 40% on credit. So now when you come to 8th November, we see that he bought goods on credit, and those goods he bought, you put them under stock, which is 900,000, and he paid 60% cash. So you get 0.6 times the 4 million, you get 540, you get 5, then you get 4 million minus 540, you get this, amount, and what remains is the 0.4, which is 360, 0.4, like, which is the 40%. 40% is 0.4, which is 360,000. So that one, you put it under amount payable, the 40% on credit. Yeah, that means you will pay that amount. Amount payable is this one. So we have our capital remains unchanged. This net loss, which is net income here up, is this, and assign it a negative here so that you want to subtract. But when you add this total, this minus this, when we get this, and then when you add this 360 plus 9 million 910, should be getting this to prove that you're on the right track. Then we come to 15. They are telling us sold 3/4 goods at this on credit to Gimpe. So whenever we sell, we make a profit, whether the amount has come in or has not yet come in. On credit, it means the amount has not yet come in, but in the books of accounting, for us, we note that we have made a profit. And so here you put cash will remain unchanged, the bank will remain unchanged. 3/4, that means only a quarter is left, and which is this, a quarter times this, we get this, which is left. Or you can get 3/4 times 900. What you get that, you get 900 minus what you get this amount here. Don't know if I'm clear. You get a quarter is what is left. Say quarter because he has sold 3/4. So to get the right answer, you get a quarter, which is left, times this 900. Then you get this as the stock. So, but remember, you are sold on credit. So all that amount, which is the 800,000, you put it under credit, and you put it here, and we realize a profit. So you get that 3 out of 4 times 3 out of 4 times this 900. What you get is the amount he's supposed to get, but you see he sold at 800. So that means you get the profit. This amount he has sold minus what you get when you multiply 3/4 out of out of 3/4 and you get this profit. For more inquiries, you can contact me or any of the colleagues, Betty, and all other people. Agre, yeah. So my number 0779 yeah, on WhatsApp. So November here, they are telling us 28th paid salaries in cash, and we know very well that salaries affect what? Profits, and cash also reduces. That's why from 3.46 it reduces by 200 to 3.26 million. Then you see we are adding this to 200 plus 200 plus 90 to get 290, but this is a negative net loss or negative net income. So plus these profits here, that's how we get this 290. We are getting this one which is going away as a loss, paid in this amount. We are adding it to a loss here, or the net income, to get this, but we are subtracting it from 10 million. So you get 10 million minus this, then plus this, you get this. When you add this here plus this, you should be getting this to verify your answer. Come to 23rd, made drawings worthy 300,000. So 20, you come here under 23rd, you put drawings 300,000. Um, cash, cash, the cash is here. When you make drawings, your cash will reduce, the bank will remain unchanged, this and this will remain unchanged, but the drawings will affect our cash. What are drawings? These drawings, the amount you spend, but it is not part of, it does not bring returns to the business. You buy your own phone from the business money, you buy your own car, your own shoe. Those are what we call drawings. They affect the cash directly. That's why we have this cash reducing by 300,000. And put drawings, but I put a negative to illustrate that we won't subtract it. It's like net income, which is in negative. So this net income here, the drawings here, and the profits which we carried away from all this side, and you get this amount. When you add this 9.535 plus 360, you get this to prove your answer. Now we come to 25th. Now whenever you have that both received, you can calculate that one at once. Received the cash, this one from debtors, and paid this. So to know the amount which is left, we get this one minus this. What you get, you add it to the cash. Add it to the cash. So you get this. And then received that from debtors. That means the debtors here. The debtors, because he has received 455, that means the debt has reduced. The one, those who owed him have reduced from 800, which they were being demanded, they have paid 455. That's why the debt reduces to this now. Debt has reduced. The stock remains unchanged. Here, the bank has remained unchanged. And but they are saying paid 150 cash to suppliers. So that means 150 will also reduce from our cash. So cash here we have 265, 265, but here up cash we have 2960, because he has paid 150 cash to what? To, to suppliers. And so guess we are still on right track. And then we also have drawings, they remain unchanged. and profits unchanged. This net loss remains unchanged, but debtors reduce. Amount payable, this 200, 210, 210, saying received this from debtors and paid 150 cash to suppliers. So we have amount payable. Amount payable initially it was there 60, but now he has paid 150. So when you get 050 minus 150, you get the 200, 210. That's why we have now 210 here. So we add this plus this, it should be equals to this. And lastly, bought furniture, paying by check. Furniture is buying furniture at 200,000, paying by check. That means the check is going to affect the bank account, but will not affect capital. And the furniture will include it here under the assets. Although here the profits uh, under assets here, net loss 290, drawings, this profits, this, that is under bought furniture, paying this. When he buys furniture at 200, paying by check, it affects the bank account. Yeah. Okay. Have a blessed time.